Hello guys, today we have been shopping at Muddpuddles in Portland and we went fidget toy shopping, so I'm going to show you all the fidget toys I have been getting there. And first I'm going to show you the ones that I've already opened. This rainbow cloud poppet, whatever this is. And let's see. This cupcake dimple. And then this fidget spinner dimple. I've seen these all over YouTube. And this pizza dimple. And also this frappuccino dimple. And I think, wait, no. And then also this glitter cupcake poppet. Let's see if I have anything else. And this controller dimple. And I'm pretty sure that's all. Wait, no. This white-based square poppet. And I think that's all. Yeah. So I'm going to be opening this dinosaur puppet. So this is the quiet side, and this is the loud side. That's cool. This pineapple puppet. And I'm going to be testing it out. So this is the quiet side, and then this is the loud side. That's pretty cool. This popsicle, I'm pretty sure, poppet. This is actually cool. Ooh. So all of these that I've recently opened are good. Trash. Yeah. And this bubble puppet, I've been wanting this for a long, long time. And this is the loud side, but this is the quiet side. When I opened it up, instead it was on the loud side. And this watermelon poppet. Okay, so this is the quiet side, and then this is the loud side. This is a shark poppet. Ooh, that's cool. This is the quiet side, and then this is the loud side. Okay, this controller simple dimple. This is the quiet side, and then this is the loud side. It's actually pretty good. And then the last one, this shark dimple. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, this is the quiet side, and this is the loud side. This is actually pretty awesome. I like this one. Anyways, this is all for today. Bye guys!